Welcome to CSEGURU. In this session, we will discuss few problems related to math sequences. Identify the next number in the series. 4, 9, 20, 43. And what is the next term we need to find? So the difference between the first and the second term is plus 5. And the difference between the second and third term is plus 11. Okay, so the difference between the third and fourth term is 23 plus 23. So what is the difference between this fourth and the fifth term, and what is this term we need to identify? Okay, so here there is no connectivity, plus 5 plus 11 plus 23. So with this clue we cannot able to identify anything. Okay, so we will try next logic. The difference between the first and second term, it may be in multiplicative form. So 4 into 2, 8 plus 1. So this is into 2 plus 1. Next, the difference between the second and third term is 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So into 2 plus 2. And the difference between the third and the fourth term is into 2 plus 3. 20 into 2, 40. 40 plus 3. So into 2 plus 3. So here we will identify a pattern here. Okay, so that is into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 2 plus 3. So the next term must be into 2 plus 4. So this forms a pattern here. Okay, so this is into 2 plus 4 in the sense 43 into 2, 86 plus 4, it is 90. So the correct option here is option A, 90. Identify the next number in the series. 3, 2, 7, 6, 11. And what is the next term we need to identify? So the difference between the first and second term is 3 and 2. So it is minus 1. And the second and the third term is differences. So this is 2 plus 5 in the sense 7. Okay. Next is 7 minus 1 in the sense we will get it as 6. Next is 6 plus 5 in the sense 11. So here it is the alternate pattern minus 1 and plus 5. Okay. So here minus 1 plus 5, minus 1 plus 5. So next term must be minus 1. So 11 minus 1 in the sense we will get it as 10. So the correct option here is option D, 10. Identify the next number in the series. 3, 6, 12, 15, 30, and what is the next term we need to identify? So the difference here is 3 and 6. So it is 3 plus 3, it is 6. Next is 6 and 12. So it is plus 6. Next is 12 and 15. It is plus 3. Next is plus 15. So here if you are identifying the addition difference in the sense, we won't find any clue here. Okay. So we can consider other clue. Instead of this plus 6, this is into 2 we can consider. Right. This is into 2. So the difference between the first and second term is plus 3. Second and third term is into 2. Okay. Third and fourth term difference is plus 3 only. Sorry, here 15. And the difference between the fourth and the fifth term difference, if we are identifying, it is 15. So we can consider this as into 2. So here if you are identifying the pattern in the sense, it is plus 3 and into 2. Alternate. Okay. So the difference between the fifth and the sixth term is here into 2. Next it must be plus 3. And next term it is into 2. Okay. So 30 plus 3 in the sense 33 we will get it. Okay. So it is alternate plus 3 and multiply with 2. So the correct option here is option A, 33. Identify the next number in the series. 4, 9, 19, 39 and 79. What is the next term we need to identify? So this is 4 and this is 9. So it may be into 2 plus 1, right? Next, 9 and 19. So this is into 2, 9 2s are 18 plus 1, that is 19. Okay. And 19 and 39, the difference if you are identifying in the sense, 19 into 2 is 38 plus 1. Okay. And next, 39 and 79, if you are finding the difference in the sense, 39 into 2, that is 78 plus 1. Okay. So here this pattern is into 2 plus 1. Okay. So here the difference between the fifth and sixth term is into 2 plus 1. So 79 into 2, it is 158 plus 1 in the sense we will get it as 159. So the correct option here is option B, 159. Identify the next number in the series. 6, 5, 24, 25 and then 144. And what is the next term we need to identify? So here if you are identifying the difference, it is 6 and 5 in the sense it is minus 1. Difference between the first and second term is minus 1. Second and third term is 19. The difference between third and fourth term is plus 1. And the difference between the fourth and fifth term is 119. Right? It is 119. So there is no connect here. So this is a different pattern here. So here if you are considering the first term, third term and fifth term, if you are considering, it is divisible by 6. Second and third term, it is divisible by 5. So the difference between first and third term is into 4. 6 4s are 24. And third and fifth term is into 6. And the difference between the second and fourth term is into 5. Okay. So this is first and third term into 4, again second and fourth term into 5, again third and fifth term into 6. So the difference between fourth and sixth term is, it must be into 7. So this is 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So 25 into 7, it is 175. So the correct option here is option D, 175. Thank you for watching this video.